Looks
delightful.
Yeah. I can get a woman with this lotion. Why can't they see me?
Because you're not putting it in front of the lens. The lens is right here.
I can get a woman with this lotion. It smells like cologne. And this cologne.
That smells very good.
Oh my
You
God.
smell scrumptious.
I can get one with this and this. It smells so good. I need to spray this.
Everything on the top is gone and put away. We have all of her dresses, shirts tucked away to the side. That way she can reach her towel, robe, or bags here. This is my favorite part. how I did her baskets. Super excited. We're gonna put, my son just suggested putting pictures there, so I think that's a good idea, along with the words of shirts, skirts, whatever is in the baskets, so that she's able to pick out her own clothes and know where her things are. And here on the bottom is her basket full of shoes. I think this was great. I was nervous if I didn't know if I had enough storage bins, but I did. It worked out great. Just enough, not too many. Very pleased. Well worth the money. So we're going to see if we can keep this up. So now we're moving on to my son's closet next. Alrighty, so here's his closet. And it is a lot neater than what it was. We still have a few miscellaneous things here. I got rid of the storage tower that was here. I was just tired of it. He's had it for a long time and it kind of weighs on these metal bars. So we just decided to get rid of it. He was okay with getting rid of it. And we just have all of his big boy button-up shirts hanging up and long sleeve shirts hanging up for the cooler months. Here we were able to do his trunks, swimming trunks. All of his shirts fit in this big one that I originally had the blankets in, but I said, well, it's more important for me to have his clothes in there than the blankets. We can always get another basket for the blankets or just fold them neatly and put them away. Here we have his basketball shorts, which he has a lot of. Some of them are in dirty already. I also want to possibly get another basket for his jeans, because I didn't realize he had a lot of jeans and pants. The shorts, we split that up. Those are his like khakis jean shorts there versus the basketball shorts that are up there. So this is kind of more like home clothes type shorts, or just relaxed type shorts. And if we're going out somewhere, or maybe school or whatever school day, he can wear his regular shorts. Those are sweatpants down there that he likes to wear when it's like cooler months or cooler in the house. And that is his three drawer plastic drawer that we got from Target years ago, and it has been holding up pretty well. His underclothes, socks, and pajamas are in there. And then last but not least, we have this big storage basket that is for his shoes, and all of his shoes that he had up here fit in there. He does have more play shoes downstairs that we kind of keep down there. Whenever we come in the house, we take our shoes off before we get in the house. That area is just book bags. He has 2 book bags that he uses for school and summer school, and that is his dirty clothes basket. That is also sealed, but it's so cute, and I just knew he would love it because he loves dinosaurs. So that's his dirty clothes basket. We're trying to figure out what we're going to do with this picture that I got him a few Christmases ago with all of his superheroes. Whether we're going to hang it up or not, I'm not really sure. But anyway, on this side is where he hangs up his towel and robe, hats, belts, things that need to be hung up. A little jacket that I got him for his birthday last year, Sonic. And yeah, So I love how his closet turned out as well. A lot more organized than how it was. Like I said, up there, I definitely want to get something for his blankets to put his blankets in. But overall, this was a good plan, and I really love how it turned out.